All right, you guys, let's do this section. This is the outdoor power equipment. We are in Crystal Lake, Illinois. All right, so they do have for $59 the 7.5-inch fan, the Whisperer series by Ryobi. $149 for the 4 amp hour starter kit, which also comes with a charger, and it's a fast charger. $179 for an 8 amp hour HP battery. $49 for a power inverter, tool only, which they came out with this years ago, and I done videos on that. $189 for their 10-inch 18-volt chainsaw as a kit. $99 for the compact 220 CFM blower. Comes with a couple of nozzles. Do have some lawnmowers down here for $299. Or $149 for HP brushless string trimmer. And then they have, that's 15-inch. And they have for $109 an edger. That's actually not a bad idea. That's a 9-inch edger. I do got to do some edging soon. $99 for a 22-inch hedge trimmer. Sorry, better angle is right there. Or $129 for a pull saw. 8-inch. $329 for the 730 CFM blower as a kit. 2 4 amp hour batteries and a rapid charger. Very powerful blower. I love it. Ooh, they got some sort of deal over here. So they do have a buy one, get one, the new sale. Let's take a picture of that. That's actually going to be the thumbnail. Oops. And so if they do have a buy one, get one. So if you get any of these kits, you get a free 4 amp hour battery, 40 volt. $429 for the brushless HP 15-inch string trimmer and the 600 CFM blower as a kit, which comes with a 4 amp hour battery. $329 for that 730 CFM blower as a kit, comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger. $259 for their 14-inch chainsaw as a kit, 4 amp hour battery and a slide-on charger. Or $329 for their 17-inch carbon fiber string trimmer as a kit. That comes with a 6 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. So good, I'm glad that they're having this. This is going on to April 28th of 2024. I'd never noticed that before. So I think it's new. If any of you guys seen this, please leave it in the comments. That's awesome. So you get a free 40 volt battery with that. Because if you see like a 179 was 189 for a 4 amp hour battery, that's pretty expensive. So Milwaukee has this for $449. The 2 8 amp hour high output batteries and a dual rapid charger. They do have some pack out mounting plate for $29.97. $249 for their 6-port sequential charger. Rapid charger. $199 for an 8 amp hour high output battery. $299 for their M18 hatchet. As a kit, comes with a 6 amp hour battery and a charger. Or they have that same thing. They do have for $599, was $699. They do have this string trimmer. Comes with 2 8 amp hour batteries, a dual charger, and the string trimmer. So because of those batteries, that's pretty pricey. but if this was tool only, it would be a lot less. So, and 2 batteries required and included. So it requires 2 batteries to be in there to be able to use. $999 was $1,099 for their M18 lawnmower. Comes with 2 12-amp-hour batteries, a dual charger, lawnmower, and some accessories for the lawnmower. DeWalt, I'm trying to see if they have any other deals like Ryobi does. I do not see that. So they do have for $219. The leaf blower as a kit comes with a 5-amp-hour battery and charger, which we'll check that out. And they do have for also $219 the string trimmer as a kit with a 5-amp-hour battery and a charger. So this is that kit for the string trimmer. It is 14-inch, 5-amp-hour battery and charger. That's a 4-amp charger. Then they do have for $249, was $349, for the 20-volt XR string trimmer and blower. The blower is 450 CFM. Comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and charger. $249 for DeWalt's 12-inch chainsaw as a kit, which I actually have this. It is a very good chainsaw. Love it. 5-amp-hour battery and a charger. Then they have for $219 the 450 CFM blower as a kit. 5-amp-hour battery and charger. All right, over here they have for $14.88 the kneeling pad by Husky. $22.97 for 3-pack safety glasses with anti-scratch lenses, and they are tinted. $29.97 for the performance shirt, short-sleeved. Or they have for $34.97 the performance shirt, long sleeve. Individually packaged. I guess that they have another buy more, save more for outdoor power equipment. If you spend $550 plus, you save $175. If you spend $450 plus, you save $100. If you spend $350 plus, you save $50. So that they have a buy more, save more. So $349 for this 450 CFM blower as a kit. Comes with an 8-amp-hour battery and a rapid charger. 120 miles an hour, 4.9 pounds. $299 for the dual blower, 600 CFM, 145 miles an hour, 6.01 pounds. $647, the cut level 1 nitro dipped gloves. $12.88 for the 2-pack anti-scratch lenses. One is clear and one is tinted. $3.88 for a 10-pack of earplugs. Or they do have a spring Black Friday sale for $89 exclusive. $89 for the fan. Because that's actually normal price, I think. And they do have a buy one, get one. They have for $199 each. You can get the brushless pruning shear M12 pruning shears, the 8-inch hedge trimmer, or the 6-inch pruning saw. And if you get any of those, you get a free 2.5 amp hour M12 battery. $199 for this quick lock hedge trimmer, string trimmer. And this is the one where you could actually have all these attachments with it. Very useful tool. Over here they have for $139, they have this 8-inch pruning chainsaw by DeWalt. Or they have for $89, was $119, the 20 volt max pruner. They both are right here. Oop. Drop something. Why wouldn't I drop something? Hopefully it doesn't fall back again, which it will. There we go. $99 for Ryobi's 1800 PSI electric power washer. It does come with the wand, a hose, soap applicator, and a few nozzles. Or they have for $39.97 the 12-inch electric surface cleaner. Now there is two different versions. They have a gas version and an electric version, so use the proper surface cleaner that you're using the power washer with. $49.97 for a 35-foot hose, 1/4 inch. $199 for Ryobi's 2000 PSI electric power washer, 1.2 gallons per minute. This one is a rolling unit. Ooh, this is new. This is new, up to 3400 PSI. Surface cleaner. This surface cleaner is $99. This one is for gas. Snap, that's awesome. $299 was $349 for their 2900 PSI gas pressure washer by Ryobi, which that is right here. DeWalt does have for $299 their 2100 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute electric power washer. It's a nice little compact portable unit. 40 degrees, 15 degrees, soap, turbo, and a 25-foot hose. $49.99 for their 12-inch 3000 PSI driveway and sidewalk surface cleaner. And that is that. $129 was $169 for their 550 PSI, 1 gallon per minute, 4.85 pounds electric power cleaner with 4 nozzles. And the nozzles actually go on top of the unit right there. I have the Ryobi Easy Clean. I never used the DeWalt version. $149 for their 18-inch 3700 PSI surface scrubber. Yeah, this is a big one. That's a big one right there. Or DeWalt has for $479 the 3100 PSI Honda motor, Honda engine power washer. Firm grip 15 pair, PU dipped for $930. Makita does have a few things, I wish Makita had more, but they don't. $299 was $359 for their blower and string trimmer combo as a kit. Does come with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. And the blower is 459 CFM. And it comes the 13-inch cutting width swath for the string trimmer. Do they have a price on the hedge trimmer? Or they have $199 was $249 for the string trimmer by itself. As a kit, it comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. I hope they have a price on this. Or they have the, sorry, my bad on that, you guys. $169 for their 24-inch hedge trimmer. 2,700 strokes per minute. $159 was $169 for DeWalt's hedge trimmer. How many inches? 22-inch. 22-inch hedge trimmer. My battery's getting low. It is at 9%. $159 for the 450 CFM blower, tool only. 125 miles per hour, 5.3 pounds. Or this is a fantastic deal, $159 for the brushless trimmer, string trimmer by itself, tool only. That is a fantastic deal. Get this while you can. This expires, oh snap, July 7th of 2024. So I do want to get this one. All right, Ryobi does have for $159, was $179 for Gen 15-inch string trimmer, which this is the one that I actually have. It is brushed. It does heat up pretty quickly, I will say that, but that is $159. Then they also have for $159 as well, they got this jet fan, 525 CFM as a kit, comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. Your choice, $89. They do have the 10-inch string trimmer slash edger. This specific unit, it's a bit too short for me. So I don't like using that my first year. I'm a tall guy. Or they also have for $89 the 250 CFM blower as a kit. 18 volt, 2-amp-hour battery and a charger. Do have for $149, was $169. Got this soap dispensing scrubber. I have the hand unit, it's fantastic. So not bad, that's how it works. Or they have for $299, was $369 for their 16-inch brushless push lawnmower. $99 for the 350 CFM blower, tool only. Or $99 for their 18 volt trimmer, edger, tool only. This one does come with a wheel, so you could have a nice guide. 13-inch, so not bad for 99 bucks. Let's see, $299 for this 20-inch push mower, brushless. $99 for this 40 volt 450 CFM blower. Yeah, this is 40 volt as well. $279 for the string trimmer and blower combo kit, 40 volt. What is the blower? 40 volt. Let's see. 13 to 15 inch cutting width for the string trimmer, and the blower is 525 CFM. So this blower is 525 CFM and 13 to 15 cutting width for the string trimmer. So that's pretty much it, you guys. More sales are always on the rise, and I can't wait for the current sales to sort of expire. And so yeah, we didn't hit up every single thing in this video, but my battery is at 2%. So if you found this video helpful and entertaining, please like this video. Please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos, and please subscribe to the channel. This is Dave and Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.